Stanley got a lawyer. They went to Kwezi Beauty and started making demands. He demanded R1 million from Kwezi in cash. Mr. Q bought Arabang a gift, and they continue with this dating thing here with Sangan. Evelyn is back at TEF High and ready to take over. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scheme Sam. Goss is advising Kwezi to take Kobas's advice, apologize to Stan, give him his salary before things get worse. But Kwezi is like, no man, you're overreacting. Kobas is going to handle this whole thing. Kanto Stan has already gotten himself a lawyer. He brings the lawyer Kwezi Beauty. I think he lawyer ka Stanley. Yo, akase proud uwek wife wakhe usihle. They go to Kwezi's office, introduces himself as a lawyer. Goes lawyer ka Stanley. Ukwezi like, ubani wena? How can I help you? At my client, Stan Pell has been abused, and they have a list of demands that they want to make. He called Ukwezi eceleni. I think you need to get Kobas in here for this, because you cannot be discussing lezinto with Stan, with his lawyer, when you don't have your lawyer present. And then they called Kobas. Stanley was starting to feel a bit down, but guy was like, you know what, you don't deserve this. This girl slapped you, because Stan was like, I just want my salary, nothing more, I don't want drama. This lawyer reminded Stan, would say, when this woman slapped you, abused you at work. Stan like, okay, fine, let's get him. Ukobas comes in, Ukwezi. Now, this lawyer Stanley is a big fan, a huge fan of Kobas. He goes on about how I admire your work, your articles, you've won the big cases. Available on Stan, go to Welele. Is this going to work? And this guy actually knows what he has planned. He starts making his demands. Stan works 4 jobs. He has never taken leave. Now he's stressed because his daughter is sick and he's not getting support. Instead of getting support, he's actually taken his salary out. He's only paid 10% of his salary. He's being mistreated. And he says that he wants to make some demands. How much? He needs his salary doubled, and he needs to get 40 leave days per annum. And that for his annual leave, sick leave, including everything, and that he's demanding R1 million in cash. Avela Hleko haha, Sangana, you are crazy. Because how dare you demand R1 million? Even Stan was shocked. Why are you demanding R1 million? Because anything they discussed R1 million, anything else, double salary, annual leave, fine. But R1 million, Stan did not consent to that. And then Evelyn is back at TEF High. She's well and healthy, feels energetic. Thanks Mr. Q for holding the fort while she was away. And they actually praised Mr. Q for doing a great job while Evelyn was away. And Evelyn says that she's grateful to Stogo for helping Mr. Q. Mr. Q did mention that she really helped him a lot. But Stogo's like, you know, I didn't do it for you. I did it for TEF High. Kamo Arabang is all out. Makeover, maintenance, new hair. Kurinje, she's glowing. Papa hair, we are going to see your mom this weekend. And Ariana, she's got plans with Mr. Q already. Didn't want to go. Now, Ausa wants to find her metric dance. Girl is not even interested. She's like, whatever, do whatever. She's always saying, no one is paying attention to her. She's like, it's like she's raising herself. Come on, the boys are all keen and wanting to get dates for metric dance. Did you ask Msebiat? Now, I think Pex wants to ask Arabang, or I don't know who, because now they're thinking, why are you stalling? Why are you not asking her? Come on, Mr. Q is continuing this relationship highly Arabang because why is he pursuing this child? He even got her a gift that's packed somewhere outside. Nahana Manaka uniform. He said he got her a gift. Arabang is like, when you got here, I heard that you have a girlfriend. I don't know, my heart is captured by someone in tough. You're the perfect girl, blah blah blah. You are very mature for your age. Mr. Q, how do you pursue a relationship, Lingwana? As a whole teacher, a whole principal for that matter. And I tell you, they keep parking on the street. Someone is going to see them. Come on, Mr. Q is now wanting to order a piano. I don't know if he's doing this from Sebiadi, because now girl says that he wants to thank Mr. Q and wants to see his place. Is this girl thinking the whole thing? Does she want to sleep with Mr. Q? Now I don't understand this thing on Mr. Q wanting to buy a piano. Is it because is buying this from Sebiadi, or now because the piano artist thing is from Sebiadi? Whether now Ikopana Kaili Arabang wanting to come to his place. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.